My good friend George decided he wants to make a quest for me to try to play. He said it was so hard for anyone to play that no one can beat it. I bet 100 monkey money that he could not beat it. Let's see if we can. That last one was pretty easy. They do get progressively harder though, I think. Let's see if we can beat this one. We did lose a couple lives on the last one, but let's see if we can beat this one. This one seems like it's going to be a lot longer because it's around 20 to 40. But I reckon we can still beat it because these are pretty easy. That last one was super stressful. This one, we can only use a certain amount of money and we can never gain any more money. And that's not directly true, but you'll know what I mean. Whoa, a breeze in the park. That one was so easy. I have a feeling this will be insanely hard though. Let's see if we can beat this. Nice. It's the final level. We'll see if we're gonna be able to beat this insane level. Let's try to get like a Paragon and a couple like sharpshooters to see if we can get a good Paragon. We should be able to do this. It's just a BID, right? Right? Anyway, let's get the Boomerang Paragon while we're at it. Let's get it one to the closest to the track so we can efficiently cut those balloons. Let's get an anti-balloon gunner. I think one of those would be pretty nice. Let's get the Ninja Paragon. That would be really nice to get, just because it's pretty good. And then we can get the Engineer Paragon, which will be pretty easy to get. Boom. Boom. I don't know if there's really too many Paragons left. Oh wait, hold on. I think I know which Paragon. Yeah, it's this one. The Wizard Paragon will be perfect for this. Let's get Archmage, Wizard Lord Phoenix, and Prince of Darkness, Magic Perfectus. That, we spent all of our money there. Exactly all our money. Let's just hit play and we can easily win this dub. Wait, hold on. What? Wait, I have an idea. Okay? This might work. Just trust me on this. Is it just this? Woo! I'm taking that 100 monkey money.